Okay, today I thought we'd play with this very bizarre little robot. Again, I'm going to move the camera back so I can get enough room to get in here. It's battery operated. 2 AA batteries go into this back cover here. Somewhere on here it said, on the very bottom, if it'll focus in the red, right in here, said made in Hong Kong. It has 2 cams in the feet and a jack shaft that runs straight down the leg, right angle gear, crown gear. And so the gearbox is up in here. So it walks with a flashing light in the glitter ball head and a clicking sound. And the on-off switch is down here. Let's see. And again, as we've seen on a few other toys, they kind of make the mistake of putting a red light inside of a green dome. And of course, red and green cancel each other out. It's not the best choices. They could have went with just about any other color for the dome. But it's got kind of a speckle to it, and there's a little face hidden in there. And I'm always surprised that it still works because it's a glued together robot with the exception of these screws on the very bottom of the feet. And the gears appear to be all plastic, the ones I can see. When I stare and look at the jack shaft, it's all plastic. When I stare and look in this switch hole with a little light, all the gears I can see up in there are all plastic. And yet, it still works. So we're very lucky, because I wouldn't want to have to bust it open just to get her going. And kind of a bizarre paper decal on the chest. Very unusual little robot.